If you like one-pot meals, you're going to love this beef goulash. Packed with vegetables, potatoes, and lean protein, it is the complete meal in one pot. With about 38 grams of protein per serving and only 410 calories, it is perfect for a family dinner that keeps you satisfied and healthy. Sounds good? This is how you cook it. Right, for prep, we are going to peel some potatoes and carrot. You could use some sweet potato if you wanted. And then you just want to roughly chop these. Don't make them too small because you don't want them just to disappear and turn to mush in the goulash. Set them aside because we're adding them to the stew a bit later on. Then you're going to chop up some onion. I'm using red onion just because I like the colour of it, along with a couple of peppers. And as always, you can easily use more veggies if you like. It's totally up to you. I love these ones because it just gives it lots of colour, variation, and it's really nutrient dense. Then you want to heat your stew pan on a medium heat with some oil in it and just fry those onions and peppers until they start to get a little bit of charring on them and a bit more flavour. Then add your garlic along with your lean diced beef. You could also use pork if you preferred. Season with some black pepper and then just fry that for a few minutes until the beef starts to get some colour on it and there's no visible pink bits left. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Then to that you're going to add 400 ml of beef stock and 250 ml of wine. If you're wondering why my wine is coming from a bag, if I've got any left over in a bottle, I always freeze it in food bags. It's super easy for cooking. It means I don't need to open a bottle of wine just for cooking or use those nasty little bottles which are quite expensive anyway. So you can try that one out. Add those other ingredients, test and just give it a bit of seasoning with some salt at this stage, and then pop a lid on it and give it an hour simmering on a medium heat. And then after an hour, you want to add in your potatoes and carrots and give it about another 45 minutes to an hour of simmering until the veggies that you've just added have softened and are cooked through. If you like them really firm, 45 minutes is good. If you want them a bit softer, just give it a little bit longer. Then you just need to plate this one up. It is a one-pot meal, so it doesn't need any accompaniments, but you can serve it with rice or some crusty bread if you want, and then just get stuck in. So there we have it. That is how you cook beef goulash. Hope you enjoy this one-pot recipe. And as always, if you are a new viewer and you've not had a chance yet, as I know most of you are, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future high-protein recipes, because I'm posting about 2 every week. And if you want the full recipe, make sure to click the link in the description and you can download my recipes app where you'll find this recipe along with about 300 others. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I'm off to go and eat some of this and I'll speak to you later.